Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to use AI grammar correction while typing on any website using a simple browser tool. So let's get started. So firstly open your browser, visit Chrome Web Store. Here you can download Grammarly. Click on add to Chrome, then add extension, or even you can download language tool. Or Quillboot. These three are the grammar checker tools. Now we will see Grammarly will be downloaded successfully. Now we are opening any I am opening Google Docs for writing and see you the demonstration. With the help of this we can write properly and grammarly, like I'm writing I have headache. Now you will see Grammarly will suggestion me like correct your spelling. I have a headache. Then I am typing how are you. You will see it will you can in Grammarly, then select it. Here you will see it will be notify how are you, and that's you can rectify the sentence with the help of Grammarly. It will spell check, punctuation fixes, sentence improvements, also tone changing. It works on all websites, and that's how you can use AI grammar correction while typing on any website. It's one of the easiest way to improve your writing instantly using AI. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more useful tech tips. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.